channel, live. It says upcoming. How can it not start? Channel. No, it should be running. It should be running. It says it's live. Okay, that's good. So now we are doing the other one. No, it should be running. It should be running. It says it's live. I'll just say that. Oh, there's one viewer. That's good. That's a lot. Hi friends. Let's start. I have hours left. My fault. Okay, this one. Okay, and because I need to talk to people. Okay, and then it's the stream, right? Okay, and because I need to talk to people. Okay, and then it's the stream, right? Live, the stream. Really? This is the first time I'm using this thing. Okay, so now we're there. Yeah, now it looks like this is the first time I'm using this thing. Okay, so now we're there. And they don't like something about my encoder. What was the button code they didn't like? The theme. There was some message they showed me about the encoder thing. That's okay, I will probably. Oh, it's audio bitrate they want. That's okay, I will. Oh, we can do it this way. One moment, and then we are fully on. So, quality, performance. Hopefully now it will be okay. So, okay, hello. I'll just check where the comments are. If they are there. Morning. Now it will be okay. So, okay. Hello. I'll just check where the comments are. If they are there. Morning. Okay, and the last one, that's what happens when, when somebody, I put alarm clock to close my bed, maybe that as well. I just closed it. That's what happens when, when somebody, I put alarm clock to close my bed, maybe that as well. Oh, I didn't share it here, right? Oh my god, what's going on? Why is it? Oh, I didn't share it here, right? Look, that is quite funny. It looks my automated system started doing automated stuff, and for God's sake, how could it happen? Sorry guys, that's an emergency. My social manuals. I think my social manuals went out of window. Like, that's automated stuff. Emergency. I need to fix that. I think my social manuals went out of window. Like, that's automated stuff. Emergency. Fix that. Queue. Let me delete everything in the queue then. I don't want this one. I don't want this one. How could it happen? they have a bug, I think. Either they have a bug or... Okay. If I go here... they have a bug, I think. Either they have a bug or... If we go exit, that's session manuals, otherwise it's a good tool, but I was doing one thing there, and... That's why. If we go exit, that's session manuals, otherwise it's a good tool, but I was doing one thing there, and... Okay, we need to delete this. Delete it now. So this piece of stuff stops happening. I'm very sorry for everybody who saw this message. It's like, they got social manuals. How can you... So there was no warning, nothing. I'm very sorry for everybody who saw this message. It's like, they got social manuals. How can you... Yes, I hope this one is not like this. And this one is not even... I hope this one is not like this. Okay, this one will pause it. We will pause everything here. So stuff stops happening. Because that's not right. Pause. Because I don't want to like spend too much time on that stuff. Okay. Pause. Because I don't want to like spend too much time on that stuff. Yeah, this social manuals is it works most of the time, but this time it was like failed me so much. I have a feeling that I will spend half of the day today deleting the messages there. Or half of the night. Okay, let's go back. I need more screens. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Now if we go to the restream. Do we have the comments somehow? Because I think in this restream thing it looks like that, alright. I think there I had comments. Do we have the comments somehow? Because I think... Or maybe not. Or maybe it was in the OBS. I think there I didn't see the comments. Just yesterday was telling me that there are comments. Now where are the comments? Or maybe it was in the OBS. I didn't see the comments. There must be comments. How am I expected to speak to people? Anyway, I'll speak through YouTube, guys. I'll just monitor both YouTube and this thing, okay? So it's okay. It's stuff. Comments. How am I expected to speak to people? Anyway, I'll speak through YouTube, guys. I'll just monitor both YouTube. Okay. Hi. Oh, Arindram, namaste. Namaste, Arindramji. Hi, mate. And here, I think I will. Hi. Oh, Arindram, namaste. Namaste, Arindramji. Hi, mate. I don't know how to speak on this. How to speak on the Twitter, because I've never done it. I'm also like sorry, I also like stream. I'm also streaming for the YouTube, right? Speak on this. Because I've never done it. And one second, I need to also check what's going on in my. I also like Twitter, because I've never done it. Okay. Also like sorry, I also like stream. I'm also streaming for the YouTube, right? Because I've never done it. And one second, I need to also check what's going on in my. I also like Twitter, because I've never done it. Also like actually, yeah. So yeah, guys. So with this marketing thing, so a lot of people started asking me to do marketing for them, but well, not my cup of tea at the moment. I would like to have somebody to help me with marketing, okay, but I have zero money. Like Actually, I have negative amount of money. I'm in debt, so I cannot afford losing the house because I want to help somebody. So for now, marketing will be what it is. I have a friend. She's very professional in marketing, but well, she's also she has her problems. So let's see. Negative amount of money. I'm in debt. So yeah, it was actually because of the. For now, I think it was actually because of the headphones. Is it better now? You know? Tell me if it's better. Yeah, it was actually because now. What's happening is that yeah, I can see this stuff. Is it better now? And am I sharing screen or window? I'm sharing screen. That's good. So on the screen we have this thing. Oh, Trisha gives. So she wrote something. Yeah, I can see this stuff. And am I sharing screen? Oh, I'm sharing screen. Yeah, that's good. Trisha, if you have to follow, if you want to follow somebody, it's Andrew Jones or Trisha. What was the name? Mila Patel? No. Trisha, if you have to follow, if you want to follow somebody, it's Andrew Jones. Gupta? Yeah, Mala Gupta is also, she's good. And guys, I'm autistic, so if I remember somebody's name, it's like it's the person you should see, like Mila, Trisha, Angie Jones. It's like, whoo, they're so strong and making people stronger. So they know stuff and they care about you. You can feel it, and it's like, wow. So if I remember somebody's name, Mila, Trisha, and Angie Jones. You just, you know, there's a legend, and one guy was watching their videos for a month and he became smart. Just by watching their videos. Oh, on this microphone. So cool. Yeah, good stuff. Now, let's see. So I have no idea how to see comments on Twitter. You know, there's a legend, and so I just need to tell people that somebody has overslept. Okay, yeah, internet issues didn't help as well. So today, it's, can you hear me now? So I have no idea how to see comments. Yeah, I'll need to buy professional stuff. I think I'll need to buy professional. Okay, that will do it later, so that's fine. So today, yes, late woke up and stuff. Oh my god, that work is good. So yeah, this restream thing, it's failing me. It's many things. That's life. Because I expected it to have a keyframe interval 4166. And it recommends 2. How do we change that? So basically I have this thing. Okay. We can turn over the screen. Oh, then I will not see the screen. So it will be here. And it recommends 2. How do we change that? I cannot put 2 here. Basically I have this thing. And I don't see any keyframes. We can turn over the screen. Oh, then I will not see the screen. Yeah. Well, I will leave it for the next time. Now, no, it's not even YouTube thing. It's okay, it's restream. Well, I will leave it for the next time. Now, no, it's not even YouTube thing. It's okay. 3 years. So okay, let's start. So today is basically Q&A. It's Q&A. You ask me a question. Ask me a question, I will answer. Or I will say that I don't know, or I'll say something else. So unless today is a Q&A and coding. because I want you people to I want your friends to like get in the habit of coding daily. I don't care. Like yesterday I was speaking to a friend of mine, Bruno, okay, and here so two friends of mine. Well, unfortunately I don't meet Venkat often, but I think Venkat is a professor, so we'll see it now, right? Okay. So that's my main mentor, like the mentor I spend the most time with, let's say it this way. So, and some coding in Go. Okay. So Bruno, absolutely amazing person. He runs this bootcamp. So it's not bootcamp. It's mentoring, okay? And I won't lie to you, friends. It's very expensive, okay? So in my case, I was like, oh, should I pay? Should I not? But like I gave him my word, and then he actually helped me a lot. Well, he basically explained where the money goes, and it turned out it was the best investment decision of my life. Like seriously, all my money has burnt in Ukraine, like all. But this money alone, a very small percentage of all my money, this money has blossomed. I'm not telling you to go or to run and buy his course, but at one point in career, okay, one point in career, you please go and well consider doing it. It will help you beyond your dreams, okay? It's yeah. Yeah, it will help you a lot. In short. Now. Oh my god, this is working. So now let's see. And the second person is this one. It's not the second person, it's Venkat Subramaniam. He's the absolute legend. Like it's like the case when you look at person from every side and he's the legend. Like I don't know. I don't know to go in detail. Don't want to go into details, but woof, this guy has inspired me. And we had a yeah. He never ever mentions that he's a professor at Houston, right? You have to find it. He just is a simple child who goes to conferences, often free or cheap conference. Well, that's wrong. He often goes to conferences, not only expensive ones, but also to those where the ticket is not very, very expensive. All right. And oh, one moment. One second. I will. Okay, so let me see. So yes, and he once went to an event from Lana Java community, I think, which is free. It's online and free. I've met him before that, but then he was like, he had 1 hour session on tests. I asked some good questions about multi-threading testing. And then what happened? He kept answering our questions like maybe 2 hours after. Maybe it was like a very engaging session. It's like, yes, we knew that he's there for longer than needed, and he knew that we know. And I hope we said that, Venkat, please, if you need to go, go. But he just kept speaking about so many things like imposter syndrome and how to learn and so on. And and these things like imposter syndrome, they look simple, right? Like saying, oh, that's something juniors care. No. Imposter syndrome is not when you're junior, it's when you're senior. When you're senior, it will hit you so hard, like some people commit suicide. I was there, okay? You don't want to be one day from suicide, trust me, like, not at all. It fucking sucks. Now, let me see, what can I do? Okay. Oh, that's Twitter Blue. That's interesting. They changed the symbol for Twitter Blue. Where is my stream? Give my stream to me. media. Okay. And of course I messed up the time, yeah? Yes, 7 a.m. GMT should have been, not now. Now I don't know where to... Now I have no idea where to... Oh, I actually have. I have a link to my stream. Yeah. Good stuff. I don't know how to like ask questions. I think the YouTube's to the streams, I think they're still like, well, they're still being worked on. But it would be really nice if I knew how to put comments there. That would be really nice. Anyway, exercising, because I promised you. Guys, when I get connected, by marketing people, I won't put his name here, but if you're trying to sell somebody marketing, right, the first thing I will do, I will check your profile. So this guy, with all respect, he calls him expert, he has 477 connections on LinkedIn. So, and he's promising me to, I mean, I'm a small blogger, right? I'm like micro, nano, whatever, you cannot see me. But if you're promising me to do something better than me, I will go and check the data. So it's like, oh, only for $80. He'll damage, if the quality of this stuff is the same as, and by the way, sorry for this mess behind me, that's what divorce looks like. Okay, so anyway, so yeah. So if you're a marketer, show me that you can market yourself. Don't tell me you can market you. Everybody can market you, except yourself. So which kind of marketer are you then? So that's what I'm worried about. So if you're a marketer, show me that you can market yourself. Don't tell me you can market you. Okay, and now exercise. Go. So which kind of marketer are you? What? Again? So that's what Where's my network? Worried about. So if you're yeah, good stuff. So I don't know about everybody, so I try different ways to learn Go. The only way it works for me is practice. And by the way, if you go back to my LinkedIn, right, and you go to, oh, something happened. Ooh, well, that's interesting. Thank you, Kunal. I don't fully understand what it means, but it sounds really. I don't know about everybody. So oh, sorry, that's my dummy. I had no food in the wine, so yeah, please share some love and hugs. Because somebody here is really no food. So basically, yesterday we had this discussion when one person was talking about code reviews in their company and how they went like, you know, line by line and stuff. I think when he teaches, he doesn't spend much time on code reviews at all. He just makes sure that his students code consistently, daily. Basically, they learn themselves. I'm not sure why. My assumption will be that he teaches tens of thousands. He cannot go through your code reviews. And actually, to be honest, nobody can. Because as you are typing, if you are typing bad code, you will see it. You will know that it's a bad code. Okay, not me, not somebody, you. So that was the project I was working on. It's called Blackjack. So basically in Go, it's quite interesting. In exercism is free, right? So exercism is allowing you to learn languages, and it's allowing you to learn a lot of languages. Like, and it's more than that. To be honest, I will make tomorrow about exercism, an exercism only, alright? That will be interesting. So exercism.io, huge platform, really nice.
I'll put the comment to my.
Oh, is it org? I thought it's a Mayo. Yeah, it's org. So it teaches you language. That's fine. Why do I like it so much? What do you think? Your assumptions?
Really nice.
Well, they are only part of truth. Let me see how do all tracks. Oh, is it org? I thought it's a Mayo. So these are the languages, okay, which are there. And now it will start going even better. So this is free. What do you think? We have these languages. This is cool. The thing is that if you go, let's say, I don't know, I haven't done too much here. Let's go Java, right? So these are exercises in Java. These are locked because I haven't done the other ones. But the ones which are not locked, for example, this one, it was published, right? Yeah, 3 years ago. You can request mentoring. Before mentoring, I think was by default. So basically, there it's free, and I think it's even open source. And there are live people behind it. It's like free code camp on steroids. Basically, you can request. Basically, when you code, maybe even when you mess up, you can ask, and the mentor will come, somebody who is an expert in it. And this person will come for free. Like, so this person doesn't care how much money you got. A professional will come for free, and this professional will tell you that, look, your code, even if you submit, so when you submit, let me see, I'm trying to find some, maybe some discussion, because so this person doesn't care how much money iterations, because there were some discussions I had, maybe when I was playing with this thing called, what is the language for Gradle? Anybody remembers the language for Gradle? I don't. Groovy. Zero exercise. Shame on me, I wanted to show this stuff. I hope they didn't delete the comments, because
What is the language for Gradle?
so that shows one iteration, right? So maybe settle points. Zero exercise. Shame on me. Yeah. So basically, currently it will be hard to show, but I'll show it to you. So they basically people will say will review a code, and they will say that, look, in Kotlin you probably don't need to return in the last line. It doesn't look nice. Or maybe this one is not optimal, that one is not optimal. Then you can ask questions, and maybe even you become friends with this person. So just yesterday I saw a tweet about that. Ooh, it's so hard to be junior. That's true. Actually, I'm making joke of this tweet, but the tweet itself was very, very natural and good and kind. So the person was concerned with juniors living in hard times. Same as me, I'm also concerned. So friends, it is hard times, I'm not going to lie to you. It's like finding a job now. It's like, ooh, I go to LinkedIn, right? I go to LinkedIn. I go to jobs here, okay? I go to boom boom. I go to New Delhi, for example. Okay. I go junior. I don't think there will be a single junior Java developer in the whole India, right? Not these days. Okay, 208 results. So Applers, I don't know who Applers is. 4 hours ago, let's see how many applications. I go junior. You see? 75. It's been 4 hours ago. Nothing wrong with the company. Well, I don't know. But, this is remote junior. Let's see how many. 7. But that's 3 weeks ago. That's strange. That looks strangey. This one. How many people? It's been 11. It's been 1 hour ago. I've seen ones visit over 1,000. So how do you get a job as a junior? So his idea was that, guys, I still cannot see your comments. I will restart my things. I cannot see your comments in LinkedIn. I cannot see I can see your comments in YouTube, and I cannot see your comments. Can you type something? Anybody type? I don't know how. Or DM me. If top chat, I'll try to. Participants. No.
DM me if chat is not working. Okay, and here as well. So that's broadcast. Okay, I've got the first. Oh no, that's fine. That's cool. Oh, that's ended. One moment, I'm trying to figure out how this thing works. Okay, this one. I'm trying to find where is my stream. I know it's here, okay, and I know I can probably pin it in, but like, how do we talk here? Because somebody has just shared. That's good. Thank you, friends. So I don't know how to use commands here. Okay, so please if you have a question, ask in the comments, please. It looks YouTube comments are not working. Okay, I'll be repeatedly showing this stuff from now to now. Yeah, so now where were we? So we have the situation in the market, right? We have the jobs like that. I was just showing. Okay, so and I just showed you one job. You'll be like, I'm helping people, right? And when I'm checking, let's say Kolkata. Okay, create a Kolkata area. I'm sorry for my pronunciation, and like I only know few words only from Hindi, but one day maybe I will. What was the language? Was it Telugu? Telugu. One day I will. I know it's probably not Kolkata most probably, but one day I will learn more languages. All right. So let's see. We are looking for a front end, right? Because you will be like. So we are looking for remote. Because how on earth else? So this one just now. How many? Oh, it's only 0 applicants. I'll put it. I'll put it in the comments. You can be the first one. It will help. But on their side, it's like, how can you compete in the market? That's anytime. Can we sort it somehow? So, but I think you got me right. We go somewhere here 2 weeks ago. 24 applicants. They must be joking. You need to remember that. Yeah, there's something wrong here. Okay. Yeah, this one. The thing is that it's. I think what's happening is that they advertise it on different channel, and even on the same channel on LinkedIn, they create multiple. They create multiple job ads for one, so less people from Calcutta apply than from Delhi. Okay, and that's why. So they posted past month anytime. So yeah, past month. Let's do past month. Okay. It would be nice if I could sort it somehow. Let's go here. Well, these numbers, they are not what I was looking for. The ones I saw were awful. I don't know why and how, but yeah. Anyway, doesn't matter. So the point of this person was, how on earth should people get experience to get a job which requires experience? That's a chicken and egg thing. But the thing is, this chicken and egg, which appeared first. Okay, so the question is like, what appeared first, chicken or egg? The thing is that's why I like talking to people from different countries. The thing is that this question has been solved. You need to stop because like this thing is pushing on you that the chickens and the eggs. No, they're chickens, eggs, and there are thousands, if not millions, of other species which start with an egg, like dinosaurs. So eggs, dinosaurs had eggs. They were egg-laying, at least some of them. No, I think they were. So eggs existed millions of years before chickens. So like done, completed. So now regarding the the way to grow, well, like you go here. Oh, let's actually show it now. Let me show it now because that's the right way to do. How many people are watching? Oh, there's only one watching, so there's no. Oh, there's one on Twitter. Okay, for those on Twitter, and because the one person on YouTube, it might be me. So we do it this way. Again, jobs. So let's say I'm helping you. Okay. Let's say you're a person who wants to get this job or some other job. So any city in Noida. Okay. I don't know many cities, but like if it's New Delhi every time, then it's like I love New Delhi. Haven't been there, but I love people of New Delhi. But if it's New Delhi all the time, then it's like no love for other parts of India, and that's not who am I. And it's remote, so like whatever. And yeah, so let me see. So for example, I was applying to senior Java. Okay. Okay. You see, 45 minutes is already 3 applicants. 3 of them are senior level. That's why I have LinkedIn Prime. So it allows me to see stuff. Premium, sorry. Now, what's that? Oh, that's okay. Because I was thinking that they started taking money for putting resume forward. It's already 6. But let's do it differently. Let's check here. So doesn't tell us much. This open source. I'm quite sure Spring Boot is open source, and this one is open source. So now, this company cares, right? So imagine normally I would go for more companies. Normally I would do for more companies, and I will say that look, let's do it now. Let's say I'm not like running anywhere. We still have like 20 minutes. It was my fault. So somebody is not eating today because I don't have to eat now, friends. So that's a small sacrifice, but developer. Okay, and we'll have Java developer from Noida, remote of course, and we have Java developer India, biggest. Oh, actually, let's show some love to Lagos, Nigeria. We have many friends there, and I really recommend that you build bridges between yourself. When you're students, start building those bridges, start working together. Don't work just from people from your city, however amazing they are, because well, the world is bigger, and I cannot explain it, but I feel I can feel how Africa is growing, and the people I've met from Africa are amazing, same as people from India. And guys, you are smart. I mean friends, because there's a lot of smart ladies there, and you should be very careful with language. You don't want to insult a single lady because some ladies, they say that guys is okay, but then if somebody calls me a lady, it's okay, but I'm like, oh, okay, a lady is a word, but it can insult some of my friends if you misgender them, and that's big. Why would I do something like that? There's so many problems to solve in this world. Then so this is remote senior, so I'm trying to do whatever I can as long as it's like reasonable, and then it becomes complicated to help people to not leave IT, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm still like, I think I'm the only one, so that's what happens when I don't come to my streams, right? Again, I'm sorry, I'm very sorry. I didn't manage to wake up. I thought it's 6:30 and then it was 7:40, and partially because till like 0 something I was fixing cables at the house. That's why I have stable connection now for so long, probably. And then also when I was drying up after shower, I was reading a book on marketing. I was buying it. Now I got a book on marketing, and you need me to have this book because Okay. Now, let's see. So this is these are two different jobs, right? One job is senior Java software engineer. One job is so one. Okay, the jobs itself they sound similar. One is India remote, and one is Lagos Nigeria remote. Although this sign I've seen it. Oh, it's Turing here, of course. Turing, they're quite cool. It's Turing. Hello, friends from Turing. So let's see what they put there. That's company. That's good, but not what I'm looking for. Look, distributed systems, Shell, Python, Mothering, SQL. Well, I'm not sure how much junior it is, but let's see. So this one is distributed system, and this one is this, right? So now, let's see, where was the job? Yeah, here. A must. Experience working with microservices is a must, which means they're very, very, very serious about Spring Boot, okay? So let's do Spring Boot then. So basically, the idea is that you do analysis of the market and you find which technologies you need. And then you go to GitHub. Actually, even better, you don't go there. You do this. You type Google because it's faster. GitHub Spring Boot here, done. So when this person was talking that it's hard to find like practice and so I already have this fork. That's why. That's okay. I'll do it later. So you want practice? Here's your practice. Here's the link. I'll just stop it. You are a junior who wants to practice Spring Boot. Who needs practical knowledge of Spring Boot? Well, it's open source here. Just clone it, build it, and write an article. Your experience. So what I'm saying that don't create those stupid. I shouldn't call other people call stupid, but well, if I was creating Tetris or anything, I would say I'm stupid, because this thing it's a real business problem. Okay, if I create Tetris, nobody cares. Like 100 people will come with Tetris. They all code better than me, and I will come. And what I have done, I have built the Spring Boot. Read the blessed README. Read till this point. Build it. Easy. So let's do it now. Actually, like enough speaking, enough preaching. How can I tell people to follow me if I don't like do it myself, right? What was Control L? Alt L, Control Alt L, Shift L. I don't know. Clear. Git clone. Okay. Oh, I shouldn't have done it here. Okay. What was it? It was like this, I think. Okay, now so now we can clone. Oh, we already have it, right? Of course we have it. I'll just check if we have comments. But so far, oh, YouTube is better. Yeah. What do you mean YouTube is better? What exactly? You mean articles? So you mean in terms of demon your content? Yes and no. It all depends, right? So there's a saying that if the only tool you use is hammer, then everything starts looking as a nail. So for example, you're applying to Vimeo. You really don't want to show them that you're on YouTube. Well, it depends, right? You probably, or for example, so the problem with YouTube, it's heavy. It takes time. Tweets are easy. And there are other tools. So you need to, so currently I'm doing YouTube and a Twitter stream, by the way. Why? Because well, with Twitter, I'll be honest, I wanted to see how it works. And I'm not exactly pleased. Maybe next time it will be LinkedIn stream, or maybe it will be a combination of LinkedIn and, but anyway, so I'm a junior, right? And I want to show something off, and also I want to learn Spring Boot because, my God, Spring Boot is complicated, right? So I need to refresh. I need to refresh. Hard reset, right? Hard reset. Git reset hard. Okay. Don't do it at home. I know I don't need the project. Okay. Done. Git status. Git update. No. Oh, git pull probably, not update. Oh, nice. Yeah, so there were some changes. Okay. Oh, I lost all the views on Twitter. Well, I still have some viewers here. So yeah, I think that's the last time I'm doing it on Twitter for some time. Yeah, that's okay. So let me see. Oh, yeah, I can. So we have a question from Sanjay. Very good question. Do you think, Sanjay, I would suggest that from now on, it's your task number 1. I want your social accounts to show, if it's possible, and if it's okay, to show your, and I know like family name doesn't exactly exist in India, but I want you to show both Sanjay and the family name or something, because if you look at my Twitter account, right, that's me. Okay. Because there are people who create those. I could be just Nikita123, but like that's something to be proud of. That's your name. That's like who you are. It's like well, you cannot. Don't hide it. Be proud, and that's part of you. And it's much easier to find you, and it's much harder to steal your trademark this way. Okay. So we have a question from. And my name is Nikita, not Koslov. Hello, sir. I'm beginning web development. Could you suggest some resources? Oh, yeah, you came to the right place. So, okay, because we don't have much time, I will just help Sanjay, and then next time we'll continue with this stuff, okay? We have like 5 minutes. So, Sanjay, you go here. Okay, mate? Go to LinkedIn. So, you're asking the wrong person. And the thing is that whoever you ask, you'll be asking the wrong person. Don't ask people. Ask the market. It's not me who will be employing you, right? So Sanjay, I don't know your location, but apparently, like if I put in Delhi, then there's a lot of jobs. I make it remote, okay? And then I make it, what was it? Web developer, okay? So, I mean, obviously there's free code camp, this thing. I would say don't pay a penny for anybody. Hi, Manzir. Yes, sorry I'm late today. Next time it will be YouTube and boom, 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 boom. Next time it will be YouTube and I think LinkedIn translation. And maybe I will pay money as well. So, hi, Manzir. We are helping Sanjay and Sanjay is helping us. So free code camp is a place to learn. It's free. And exercism. And you don't really need anything else, I think. This one, like lead code can go and kiss themselves. I think it works for some people, but comparing to what I'm going to show you, it's like nothing. I don't care about, I won't be hiring you. If I was hiring you, I won't be hiring you for your ability to solve lead code unless we are training some team of champions, right? I'll be hiring you to do the real stuff. So let's see. So web developer. I want the web developer with like even not associate. Okay, like let's see the associate. The problem, I prefer to look at the like principal roles. They give me more insight. This tells me nothing. Agile Scrum tells me nothing. HTML expert, yeah. Node.js, right? Okay, we can start with this one, as good as any. Node.js, GitHub. Okay, so the original request was resources. So your best friend ever, besides me, Kunal, and Eddie. Kunal is this one. What was Kunal's? So that's Kunal. That's your friend. Okay, and my friend. That's Eddie Jawed. That's your friend. In the beginning of the stream, I showed Angie Jones. Okay, Angie Jones. GitHub. I think it's like this. Yep. So that's your friend. It depends on what you're doing. So I suggest you look, you follow some people who are serious about front end, but Node.js, GitHub. We go here. I'm just in terms of time because I really have 3 minutes. I need to find some food so I don't drop here because I have some health issues I need to eat sometimes. I don't have diabetes, but like nothing nice. So you see what we've just done? Node.js is open source. So the idea is that I cannot do this work for you, okay? You'll need to go and you need to find 3 best, absolutely best front-end web developer jobs. I don't know what they're called. Find me 3 principal ones, compare them, and then bring technologies which are similar between them. So, for example, Node.js, you see, they made it bold. They made it bold. That means they care. So, and it's here. Node.js is here. Isn't it beautiful? So I've already copied it, forked to be more specific, right? Let's sync my fork. But the thing is that now there's so many things you can do. And one thing I will ask you to do, Sanjay, besides adding your longer version of names in the future, people will say, oh, we remember this Sanjay, he started junior and now he's an expert and it's been 3 months. And I'm almost not joking. So I suggest you to open this one. It's Node.js. That's obviously what is needed for front end now, although that's actually more like a backend thing. But yeah, I think they need full stack, not front end. So you're not building, although it looks very tempting, I would say go to README and just read. And as you read, type tweets. Don't even read to the end. As you go, type tweets. Tweet. Everything you find useful, non-useful, well, useful. If you agree, if you disagree, but you think it's useful, share it. There are 8 billion of people on the planet. How many of them know that Node.js exists? How many of them know that Node.js is open source? And then when you write this article, then we'll start contributing. And we'll start using Node.js. And we'll start doing stuff like this. Free code camp. Although I'm not really free code campish, okay? But sometimes stuff is good. So there's a course on Node.js here. Do they have? I don't think they have Node.js here. I don't think so, but they have JavaScript and TypeScript, although it's different. So just read this one. I mean the README, and then so first step is change your name, okay? In the Twitter thing and everything. I want to see your name there if it's possible. Oh yeah, and second will be. So second is read the README of the Node.js, okay, and create content. I can see there's like 2 days of content maybe here. Well, 1 day. It's enough. It's enough, okay. You can say that, oh, LTS releases are here. Oh, do you know what LTS is? Oh, it's like long-term support or something, right? There are other releases. They're here. And like, oh, that's how you can verify. Oh, that's how I verified. You can create a video of it. Our friend there, Eddie, is talking about Eddie Mouti. Sorry, mate, I don't know how to pronounce your name. So he's speaking about YouTube, and he's right. Don't make 1 hour YouTubes. Make like short one. How to verify a binary of Node.js. Dude, 2 minutes time, it's verified. People know it. People want to know how to verify it, and they have your video. Maybe not the best settings, not the best lighting. Make sure the microphone is okay, although, and people have a video of like super duper quality, but it's 2 hours long. Of course, they will go for yours. I need the problem fixed. I don't need those I don't know, expensive toys in the background. It's nice, but I need the problem fixed, so I will use your video because it's faster, and I've done it so many times. I also check that the data is relevant on video. So now we have this building Node.js, and that's where you become powerful. That's where your power will come from, because you will come to the basically it's a kind of competition, okay? So where's this thing? So you are applying for this one, 200 applicants, good luck. But how many of these 204 applicants, how long has it been there? It's been 1 day, 200 applicants. So how many of them have ever built Node.js? Maybe 5. Now you're not competing 200. Now you're competing 5 at most, and it's been your first day. If you keep doing like this, there will be no competition to you. It will be companies who will come to you, okay? So now your task is, you got 2 first tasks. Now your task is to do the same with this, what you did with README, plus on the top make it build and record a video. Use this thing, it's called OBS Studio, like this one, okay? That's what I'm using to record now. It's called OBS Studio, it's free. Make a stream on YouTube. On YouTube you have this button in the top right, you can stop streaming, and better you connect them to. Alright, so now we're going back to the Spring Boot thing. Okay, because I was showing this, and with that we'll finish, because guys, I don't want to fall under the table. I'm already like a bit dizzy, I need food. Oh, there's some notifications there. Yep. Yeah, Eddie is amazing. Eddie made, like, I don't even know what the story is, but never give up. It's in power of other people and environment, like to push things at you and to like throw stuff at you. But nobody can tell you to accept something. It's you. So unless you accept the situation, well, it's just something pushed at you. It's like there was a book from a guy concentration camp. So basically it was awful conditions, of course, this concentration camp, millions are dying. But at some point he understood that they can treat him as an unhuman being, but only he has right. Oh, sorry, I will start crying now. Whether you accept what is happening to you or not. And we are not accepting 200 people candidating for a job, and we are not accepting, well, that's wrongly said, we are not accepting people who care, people who find some power to, wake up early in the morning and come to my stream. To my stream. I do not accept you not finding a job, okay? That's why I leave. Yeah, so just keep coming. I'm not the best organized person. So let's say I'm applying for Java, because Node.js I know less, but I will one day. So for this one, we have this thing open here, right? Now they had how to build it, okay? Somewhere. It was Gradle. So in Gradle is a build system for Java, okay? Gradle W means that it will actually check the project itself. In this folder, I think there was a folder wrapper, and it will like know which Gradle version to use, and if it's not there, it will download it. It makes it much easier, because like if your project is using version 3 and somebody is building it and they have version 7, then they will need to like do a lot of stuff. They will need to download your version 3. Oh, you really don't, they won't be your friends. The people won't like you for that. But here, what we can do, so imagine I'm doing this stuff on video. Oh, I am doing this stuff on video. And by the way, do you think I won't mention it? Of course I will. I will make fun of today. I will say that I was late. Internet was not working all the day yesterday. I spent like 2 hours fighting with cable. Have you tried to do cables quietly when it's like 11 at night? I tried. Doesn't work. So we are building now. So now it's downloading this thing. Gretel W. You see? I told you it's going to download it. Actually, I didn't. I told you that the Gretel W is Gretel wrapper, which downloads the videos. Yeah. So there's a so Sanjay, but fix the name, because some people like my mentor. He's Bruno Java man, right? Initially it was fun, but now he has 16,000 subscribers on just one place. He's very big, so it's like he's big. He's so big he doesn't. Yeah, well, huge. Anyway, because he helps people a lot. So, but now he cannot just go and change it to Bruno Souza, okay? Because well, he has people who know him not as Bruno Souza, but they know him as somebody else. Yeah, I'm closing on Twitter because people are not watching it. YouTube is better. That's true. It's true. So, AD, you're totally right. So now, what we are doing, and you are doing, by the way, you are in the stream. It's not only me, right? Right. It's not only me. So, I think it's never been only me. So currently we all are building this Spring Boot, because if you didn't come, friends, I wouldn't be doing it. So you are open source contributor. So now make a video out of it. Build your Node.js thing, like not today, because you have some things to do, Sanjay. Before that, small steps, go slow. So the build has failed. That's a very good thing. Now you can create content out of it, right? I think, yeah, I think I'm using Java 8. Not nice. Ooh. 1 second. Which Javas do I have? They probably need 17th. They probably need 17th. GDF, GDK. Let me think. What I can do to make it easier, but I don't really want to do it in IntelliJ, because IntelliJ is powerful, but I have okay, so I have one thing. I have 17. I have 17. I just need to set in the path, right? What was it like this? Okay. Now environment variables. We're running out of time. Yeah, this stuff. Environment variables. I need Java home. 17 is here. So I need GTK home to look at Java home 17, okay? And then there will be Windows problem, is that I hope I don't have it in path here anywhere. Oh, of course, for the God's sake, of course it won't work this way. Okay, so I think it's Java home bin, right? So that's path. New Java home. Okay, and this one I don't need. It's just a line of text. They just showed. So currently it won't work. But if I do it again, if I open the window, because the in Windows, for the God's sake, it's one on. In Windows, when you change the variables, then command line doesn't get updated. Command window doesn't get updated. Okay, now we're fully equipped. And by the way, this is a very good content, because what I would do if I had more time today and if I was a junior, I would find where exactly they say which version of Java they need. Okay, LSLA, Gradle. What was this thing there? They wanted Gradle and what? Gradle build just that. It will run the tests as well. You can see it running. That's all very good content. Control-Shift-Escape on Windows shows you like how everything is used. It looks with you guys. I need to install the second 16 gigabytes to my machine. Okay, because like soon it won't be enough, because you friends are causing me to stop playing computer games. In a way, well, a year ago I played my last one, or maybe 2 years. I still can watch professional computer game players, no problems, but I cannot afford it. It is exploding with ideas, like, my god. So yeah, so we're building now. We are building with Java 17. Maybe it will even succeed, or maybe it will break. But if it breaks, even better. But when my friend will go to an interview, my friend, however junior he is, so he's microservices and Spring Boot company, right? He's applying there. So others' resumes will have Tetris and blah blah blah. His resume will have open source contributor, because he created content about it. You don't need to change Java code there. You become contributor, as I see it, by sharing stuff, making usable. My definition of contribution is that it is something useful. So if you have translated some of Spring Boot documentation into Hindi, you're a contributor. I don't care if somebody wrote some, stuff about it, but yeah, but you did what matters. Yeah, so and only if I didn't have, if only I woke up today early enough. Okay, but I didn't, and well, life is what life is. You need to turn up, and I have problems with it. I have problems with deliveries. But now, as we speak, we are building Spring Boot. It won't be fast. It takes time, which is another idea for it. I have so many ideas for you. And Node.js, like you have your stuff. So yeah, so just do it and come back to me, and let's call it a day. Oh my god, but now, I need food. As we speak, we are building. Anyway, yeah. It won't be fast. Maybe some onions. Anyway, yeah, I'm just trying not to keep too much food at home, because I have problems with like overeating and undereating. I'm autistic. It's very hard for me to balance food, and life is about balance. So welcome to my world. Okay, so anyway, see you later, friends. And we did 0 go today because somebody woke up too late. I'll probably do go today, more go, but I think next time I won't be like scheduling. I don't know. I am yet to like learn what I will do and what I will not do. Okay, so because me being late to my own streams is not acceptable. I'm sorry. Somebody woke up. So I wish you all a very, very merry day and happy day, and I wish your life to go even better from this point, as always. And if it hurts, it's only the other day will be better. One day it will be better. So today you come here without knowing how to get practice, maybe for front-end development. Now you know Node.js in this specific. So I can keep speaking about this stuff till the morning, but I need to earn money to pay for the heating and for food. So and people need me at my work as well. Okay, cool. Thank you, friends, and see you later. Bye. Bye. So let me see how to finish the stream from not from LinkedIn, but from this thing. What was it? Remote something, right? No, it was. Okay. It was Restream. Thank you, friends. Restream.io. See you later. So I'll try to finish it now. Let me Live, excellent. Upgrade. Pause.
It was Steam.
I don't know how to finish it now. So I click on live. Embed stream, stream settings. Of course I can finish it in like of course I can finish it in different places, but yeah, I will just finish it from different places. And now my machine is stuck. Okay, so this one I'll finish it here. Not report broadcast. Of course I can finish it. Oh, I will just do it from OBS.